Tara, let's enter the Osaka Castle. But before that, I wanna say ang laki ng natipid kong lakad from the area na malapit sa train station up to this point. Parang more than 1 kilometer din lalakarin mo if you're not going to take the buggy ride. By the way, I use my Osaka Amazing Pass kaya di na ako pumila to buy a ticket entering the Osaka Castle. Actually, na-surprise din ako na pwede palang pumasok dito. Kasi based from the social media feeds, puros photos lang from the outside ang ginagawa ng mga Filipino tourists. Wala pa akong nakikitang pumasok dito sa mismong castle. Puros ibang lahi nga kasabay kong pumasok dito or di kaya naman mga local. There is lane for people who want to take the stairs or elevator, and as a pagkuda tourist, of course, nag-elevator na ako going to the top floor or yung observation deck. Also, that is the common starting point if you wanna check out all the floors para kahit mag-stairs ka na lang pababa kasi ang daming gumagamit ng elevators and dalawa lang yung elevators na nakita ko dito. Anyway, I made it to the 8th floor, ang observation deck. Ang lamig and mahangin.